Hi everyone, I am Fiona. In this video, we conducted a small panel conveying test at our factory. The panels were cut into 220 x 1160 mm pieces and placed on the conveyor for transport. We observed that the panels remained stable and did not tip over. Based on these results, panels with a width of 300 mm, as requested by the customer, will also remain stable during conveying and can be processed smoothly for cutting and subsequent wrapping. For more information about the EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or mobile phone. We will be happy to answer your questions. See you in the next video.